Hello everyone, this is Know-How Experts screencast, and today we're going to learn how to build link, and also we're going to add some validation to our model. So let's fire up our Rails server. And let's make sure we're up and running. Yeah, we are. So remember, in the first episode we built the index page and we typed some random information there, and let's change it to reflect that we're working actually on a blog. So go to the root of your My Media blog Rails application, go to app folder, and then go to views, and then go to home and open up index.html.erb file, and there you can give it some header, call it something like welcome to my media blog, and then let's create a link. To create a link in Ruby on Rails application, you need to use ERB tags. They look like this, and then you need to use a keyword like link to, and then you enter the text that you want your user to click on. Let's call it enter my blog, and next step is to give it a place to go, and you need to type in posts, which is our controller, and path, which will be taken from routes folder. Let's save it and refresh the page in the browser, and here we go, welcome to my media blog, and we have a link. Let's click on it, and sure enough we got to our posts. As you remember, on the second episode we were able to create new post, but we don't have any validation. So if we hit this button, create the post, over here, it will actually create an empty post without name, title, or content, or even worse, we can get an error. So let us add some validation. In order to add a validation, you need to go to model folder, which is in our app folder, and go ahead and open post.rb file, and this is our module. In order to add a validation in Rails, we need to use the keyword called validates, and let's go ahead and add it. Validates, and then we type in what we want to validate. We want to validate name, so the name of the post is not empty. We validate presence and set it to true. We also want to validate the title. And let's also set it to true, and let's add something else. Let's validate to make sure that the length of the title is at least 5 characters. So here's the basic validation, and let's check how it works. Let's go ahead and try to create new post, and let's try to create the empty post without entering anything. And this is beautiful. We have errors, so that tells us that validation actually works. It says that the name can't be blank, the title can't be blank, and title is too short. The minimum is 5 characters. So notice that we didn't have to do much in order to accomplish this. Rails do all the job for us. So let's just enter the name and the title and some random content, and let's try to create it again. Here we go, the post was created, so validation works and the post works too. So that's it for this short screencast, and I will post another one next week. So see you then, and don't forget to visit blog.knowhowexperts.com. See you later. Bye bye.